Hi all, welcome to your channel, and we're at Anfield for the Anfield Road Stadium expansion update. Sorry, I'm just looking up at the stands because, as you can see, the second backspan's in place and I missed the lift. They must have done it really early because I got here at 10 to 9 and it was up. So I hope some of the others got down and managed to get footage of it, but I don't know. Hope they anticipated the early start. As Mr. Jones showing on his video, it was connected on his last video, so it was obviously the first thing to go up as soon as they start work. I know people said they weren't going to start work on a Monday, but the guy said they were, that spoke to, so yeah. Anyway, it's up, and thanks to Mr. Jones for the mention as well. Yeah, so yeah, it's up and it's in place. Yeah, so there's something different to look at anyway. So I'm going to get right up because obviously I don't want to get in the way of the workers. So let's get really high, really above it. Okay. So I'm going to stay well away because there's people right up there. As you can see, let's get side onto it. So I'm going to come down midweek and do a midweek video to get. What I'll do, I'll come when everyone's finished work to get a closer look at everything. I don't want to, really don't want the drone going over them while they're in the middle of trying to bolt that thing into place. I know they're going to be harnessed and everything, but they don't want this distraction. That's how it looks with two in place anyway. You can see where the third one's going to go, because that's already built in the other corner. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the Mr. Lift. Well, I'll get down to that other corner and have a look at that one. So what do you think will be next to go up? Do you think it'll be the back span or that front span for that back span that's already up? See, there's that one there in the bottom corner by the crane. I can't see that going up today. Be standing here all day for nothing. Should have got here a little bit earlier. But there's a full rotation of it. Right, let's take it a bit higher. I want to get it right above the cranes. Yeah, well above the cranes. Then we'll go over the top. There's the guys working away on it. On the blue crane. So I'm not even going to mention the rest of the work that's going on. I'll do that in a midweek video. It'll just take up too much of the video. I'm already almost 5 minutes in. So I think that's enough cover of that one. So I'll get over the ground, I'll get a bit lower. Face in, I'll do some talking points. Just like the other guys got over and well, yeah, got to the park, sorry, and managed to get it. I did see one fella in the corner. He had, I don't think I think he had some sort of camera with him, like. So hopefully someone's got something of it going up. Because I wasn't planning to get the drone up anyway. I was going to video with my camera. Well, there you go. Right. So come points. Oh yeah. So in the last video I spoke about the seats being discoloured. They still pretty much are, they still pretty much are. And I said they'll get painted. Someone commented saying that they'll probably get torched, blow torched, which makes more sense. It's easier to do. It's less. There's no mess, and just yeah, it makes them red again by melting the plastic. More fingers of fun day because I was rushing to get up here, and there's no need to. When I was mentioning about safe standing in the car, well, someone said about safe standing in the cop. Someone said there's definitely safe standing in the cop. Okay, but someone else has already said that it's not really safe standing. It's rails to stop you falling forwards, but I don't know about that because you'd have it at the top of that main stand if anything. If it stopped you falling forward, because why would you have rails on a single on a bottom tier? Bottom tiers are usually less steep than the upper tier, because that upper main stand is very steep. Okay, someone else said about flying over stadiums with the drone. Yeah, you can't fly on match days. It's just against the law to fly on a match day. You can't film the game with a drone. But it is kind of restricted airspace, but you can ask for permissions and you have to agree to fly sensibly. Hence why I'm not getting too close to the workers in the crane. You can't see on the video, but that blue crane's coming down now. It's getting lowered down a bit. But yeah, you have to. Yeah, there's things you have to stick to, and you have to have, you know, the ability to fly a drone. So you need to register with the CAA. Get some. It's like a little license you get for flying. You have to have your drones numbered up. I've got 3 of them, their own numbers up, so if something does happen and it lands in the stadium, they know whose it is, and of course any damage they know who to claim off. Right, there's that blue crane there. Sounds a bit like Steven Gerrard then. Yeah, and that's another one. Away fans in the Anfield Road, someone said that they're gonna be in the bottom left and bottom right. People don't know. Someone else said that the original plans are going to be in the bottom right hand side. You alright, Paul? You okay?
Yeah.
Right. Paul Frost has joined me. Yeah, mate. I'm just on my last talking point now. It's about the away fans. So yeah, the away fans, apparently they're going to stay in the same section as they were, because the access to the coaches is probably easier going up the path. Okay. Yeah, missed the lift. Did you get it? Yeah. Oh yeah. I've been saying in here. So yeah, Paul Frost got the lift. So head over to his channel if you want to see the lift. What time did it happen?
Started about 7:45.
Yeah, it's too. I wasn't here. Got here for that time. Yeah, Paul Frost is a quiet man. Yeah, so I'll fire it, am I? Yeah. So guys, I'll leave that video there. I said I'll come back midweek and do a proper one. This is just about the lift today really, and the backspan being in place. So if you want to see it going up, head over to Paul Frost's channel because he's got it, and I will speak to you all soon. See you later.